Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my August 2019 Sooni pouch. This is a Korean beauty box. Let's check it out. So here's an insert, but I don't look at that first. Nature Republic Rose mask sheet. It looks like they've changed the art on this mask sheet. Cool. Real Nature Hydrogel mask. Looks like in honey. Nature Republic. The Mise en Scene Perfect Serum. So, I got a rose one a long time ago in a different box. And I didn't know, but I'm almost certain that this is for hair. I'll double check, but I'm pretty sure this company does Korean hair products. And, Wicked Perfume Foot Cream. Ooh, CC Cream, whitening, UV protection, wrinkle free. De-Age Eye Cream. Ooh, Turn Again Peeling Gel. And some samples. We've got a little Intensive Revitalizing Cream. Brightening Cleansing Foam, and then toner and emulsion. So that's pretty cool. Let's look at this. Mise en Scene Perfect Repair Serum. Hair serum made with 7 oils. Jojoba, argan, olive, marula, coconut, apricot, camellia to combat 7 types of hair damage. That's actually pretty cool. That would be like something pretty cool that I could put on my hair and then put a heat pack or something. Epox Wicked Perfume Foot Cream featuring green tea, shea butter, macadamia, lemon, and aloe vera to provide deep moisture. That might be pretty cool. I get really dry feet sometimes because I'm either in sneakers all day or I'm in flippity flops or barefoot. The History of Woo Brightening Cleansing Foam. Why did I... Oh, that's this. The sample. The History of Woo Intensive Revitalizing Cream. It's a sample. And then the Charmaine De-Age Eye Cream. An eye cream featuring chestnut extract, tomato, pomegranate, and mulberry to intensively care for and nourish the delicate under eye areas. The Alfredo Fimas CC Cream. Formulated to help clarify and brighten the complexion while also offering UV protection. Can be used on its own or under foundation. I wonder if this would even be a color that I could use on my skin since I'm kind of brown. Does it say what color? Oh, it's sealed. I don't know. We shall see. And then A3F On Turn Again Peeling Gel. An enzymatic exfoliant to help break down dead skin cells and refine the skin's texture, leaving a brighter and softer complexion. To be used 1 to 2 times a week. Use on dry face after cleansing and rinse off gently with water. And then, of course, we have the Nature Republic Real Nature Mask in Rose. And the Nature Republic Honey Hydrogel Mask. So pretty cool box this month. Lots of items. Nice quality. As you know, I'm trying to do a K-Beauty project pan, so we're still working on that. So this has been Sooni pouch. Oh, what was I going to say? I lost my train of thought. Sooni pouch. This is the Sooni pouch. There's 3 tiers. This is the highest tier. I think it's like $36 a month. Don't quote me. I will leave it in the description below, a link so you can check it out. They're a K-Beauty box, a variety of items. I would definitely check it out if you're interested in K-Beauty. Thank you for watching. As always, like, comment. If you haven't already, subscribe. I'll be doing a project pan update at the end of the month again. But, you know, there's a lot of factors going on with how that's going. So we'll see how I did. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful night.